Pulling over at this epic view. You know how to stop by the house and get some camera batteries? Nah, I'm just kidding. Please let me know what do you guys think of this view right behind you, as you know, the view when you wake up and look outside your window or walk on your front patio. Finishes off the entire exotic lifestyle, right? Imagine having like the McLaren in the garage for a cliffside view like this. That'd be awesome. Really, it really would be. You know what though? Let's hop back in the Shelby for a bit more canyon carving. And here we are inside of Benny's awesome 2020 GT500 carbon fiber track pack. Behind us is a Viper. Hopefully the camera will focus. There we go. But we're joining a big rally of cars and also a fellow YouTuber. You guys, you know, pretty much should know who he is, right? A Vehicle Virgins, Parker. And should be a ton of fun. It just feels right at home in the corners, doesn't it? To our left, this is where they shoot a lot of Western films over here in Hollywood. Paramount Ranch, I think it's called. But pretty cool how we're so close to the ocean, yet we've got this right to our side. Let us know in the comment section, what do you think of the exhaust? Will our new Raptor R sound similar, having the same exact engine essentially? But I'm re-entering the Shelby space with a pickup truck, right? Can I call it a Shelby? It's got the same heart of a Shelby. Absolutely.
We have the Shelby F-150s.
Alrighty, here we are inside Benny's Track Pack GT500. Ignore that. He just got the oil change done. They just forgot to reset the light. Takes 2 seconds. Anyways, we are gonna be experiencing the Track Pack again. It's been a while, but like I was mentioning earlier, we've got the new Raptor R coming, but gas mileage wise, imagine this, but worse?
Much worse.
Much worse, yeah. Which is not going to be a strong suit, especially when you go towing. But having a pickup truck that is special is going to really help us out in the long run, so that you have a cool collection. Whereas the Z06 goes and ties nicely with the Raptor R.
There's no piston.
That's a 458 actually, huh? So that the new Z06 is basically that, right? But then Americanized. More power out of the naturally aspirated V8 than the 458, and it's all American. Oh, and you didn't even tell me we've got a tunnel in front of us? Probably just wind it back a second. Is that pretty fun? Those noises! What do you think the Z06 is gonna sound just as crazy or what?
Better.
You think it's gonna sound better? That loud? Another one? Do I have permission to go for a round two? Okay. It's just the right amount of noise, right? You could go further. It's straight piping.
Can you imagine that straight pipe?
Your ears would
essentially. Your eardrums.
Yeah. If this is really the last year of the GT500, 2023, you think the values are going to shoot up?
I hope so.
Yeah? They might, because it's just such a special and unique vehicle. Two things I do want to add being back inside the GT500 carbon fiber track pack. First of which, I know I mentioned when I had this car, the price seemed a bit high. It was the first $100,000 Mustang to come out. And after buying it and experiencing the car, I have to say, I think it came together as a great package, because having 760 horsepower, being able to accelerate like that, in the torque it gives you, shifting faster than any Mustang ever has in history with this amazing first-gen Tremec DCT dual clutch transmission. The car itself, I think it's worth the price, $100,000. Then the Z06 came out, right, and it starts at right around 106 for the 1LT interior. But if you're getting a spec like us with all the carbon fiber and all the track goodies with carbon fiber wheels, you're looking at the high, like 160, 170, 180s. And that's MSRP, so even a bigger jump on top of this. And I've been reading and getting comments from individuals, asking me about the price, saying, is it too high in my opinion? I just want to add one quick thing on that. We will find out shortly. They should be doing the first drives very soon, and I'll relay back to you how it performs in that environment. Plus, buying one, getting an allocation and speccing it out to the max, I should be able to give you a really good first-hand piece of coverage about whether the fact is it worth the price. Just hold your thoughts for now until the first drives start coming out and deliveries start happening, because then you get the chance to judge the vehicle right. And even Benny mentioned,
judging a book by its cover, no one knows anything about it.
Yeah, you can't judge a book by its cover. You gotta experience the content of it first. Wow. Another interesting thing with the DCT in this car, it's always shifting fast. A lot of the time in some exotics, the DCT shift speed can fluctuate a lot, whereas it's only giving you the fast shifting when you're in track mode and the engine is being accelerated hard or decelerated. With the track pack, at least in track mode, the shifting all the time with this dual clutch is so sharp, and I cannot wait to see how the Z06 is going to be with the noise, the dual clutch, you name it. It would be great if they had a manual transmission come back in the Corvette, but I understand what they're going after, the exotic supercar. Is it a supercar? Please let us know in the comment section down below. And one other thing I do want to highlight, the carbon fiber wheels. So right now we are driving the GT500 track pack again with the 20-inch carbon fiber wheels. Yes, the package is about $18,500, and they are wheels, so you're not getting extra power, you're changing out the rotating mass. People I've been seeing online have been stating that the carbon wheels in the Z06 aren't really worth it. I have to tell you this, after owning the standard GT500 and in the track pack, this car feels like it weighs 200 to 300 pounds lighter. And you notice the weight all the time, driving onto the freeway accelerating or into the canyon corners where you're turning hard. That rotational mass means a lot more than sitting weight. And if you have the chance to get an allocation for the Z06, you have to end up going for it. It's only $12,000, that's a lot of money, but it will finish off the race car that the Corvette is trying to be. If you don't get it, you might regret it. It makes it really special, and if you compare it against a Ferrari, it's a $30,000 to $35,000 upgrade. You're only paying $12,000, you're getting wider and taller carbon wheels than any Ferrari. So keep that in mind. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button to help me out, and subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. I'll see all of you in the next episode.